So we're going to start seated, and I'm just going to use some blocks between my ankles so that I can sit my hips on my ankles or on my heels. And once you're there in a comfortable position, go ahead and let your hands rest on your thighs. And we're going to sit up tall, rolling your shoulders up and back. And we'll start here with our 3 deep breaths. So let's inhaling through the nose, exhaling out of the mouth. So let's inhale together. Open the mouth and exhale. Inhale and exhale. One last time. Inhale and exhale. From here, we're going to remove the blocks and put them off to the side. You can just have them nearby so that you can grab them when you need them. And we're going to come to table pose. So just being mindful of the shoulders being over the wrists. And you can start with the hips over the knees. And what we're going to do is just walk the knees back just a little bit here. And then from here, we're going to walk the hands over towards the right. And then just step your left foot forward beside your left hand. So we're kind of in a low lunge here. If you want, you can sink the hips forward just a little bit. And then from here, grab one of your blocks and place it under your right hand. Once that is underneath, go ahead and lift the left arm up, opening the chest to the left. And then bringing the hand down, moving the block off, tucking the back toes in, and lifting that back leg. Once you lift the back leg, go ahead and plant that back foot. Bring the arms up and open to the side. So we're coming to a warrior 2. So keeping a bend in that front knee, reaching the arms out to the sides. And your gaze can be over the front fingertips. Breathe here. Relax the shoulders here if you can. And then bringing the hands down to the inside of the foot. Go ahead and step that left foot back. Now we're coming to downward facing dog. So go ahead and adjust here, reaching the heels down towards the mat. Take a breath. And then slowly bringing the knees down to the mat. Coming back to our table position. So again, starting here with the hips over the knees and shoulders over the wrists. And just walk the knees back just a little bit. This time walking the hands over to the left side of the mat and stepping the right foot forward. And once you come forward, you can sink the hips down if you want, just a little bit into a lower lunge. And then go ahead and grab your block. Place your left hand underneath or on top of your block, not underneath. And then reach your right arm up, opening the chest to the right. And then bringing that hand down, move the block off to the side. Tuck the back toes under. And we're lifting that back leg. Go ahead and plant it down and reach the arms up and out to the sides. Keeping a bend in this right leg. We're coming to warrior two on the opposite side. So your torso is facing the left. Arms are out to your side and you're looking over your front fingertips. Relax the shoulders here. And then bringing the hands down to the inside of that foot. And we're going to go ahead and step back to our downward facing dog. Take a full breath here. Heels are reaching down towards the mat. Head is resting between your arms or between your shoulders. And then lower the knees down to the mat. This time walking the hands over to the right or the left side of the mat and stepping the right foot forward one more time. Bring your hands to your knee. Go ahead and sink the hips forward. And maybe you reach the arms up and open the chest. Noticing how that feels here. Lifting up, straightening the front knee, and maybe you come back and you can also grab your blocks here. Coming back to a half split. So the foot can be down or you can lift the toes up and keep the heel on the mat. And our blocks are just to keep us upright here. Walking the blocks forward, hands to the inside of the foot. Go ahead and step it back. And we're moving to the other side, so walking the hands to the right. Stepping the left foot forward. Hands to your knee. And then sinking those hips forward. Notice how that feels here. And if you like, reaching the arms up and back. And then slowly lifting the hips, straightening the front knee, grabbing your blocks, and walking the blocks back as you lift the toes or as you keep the foot down, your choice. Breathe here. And then coming forward, hands to the inside of the left foot. Go ahead and come back to your table pose. And we're going to come back to our seated pose that we started with. So you want to grab your blocks and place them between your ankles just to bring the ground up to you so that you can sit comfortably on your heels. And go ahead and do that now. Hands can rest on your thighs to start. Just add a little movement here. Inhale as you reach your arms forward and up. Exhale as you open back. Inhale, lifting up. Exhale, hands come forward and down. 2 more times. Inhale. Exhale, reaching back. Inhale, reaching up. Exhale, arms forward and down. Last time, inhale. Reaching them up. Exhale, coming back. Inhale. And exhale, forward. Let the hands rest here. Roll the shoulders up and back. Take a deep breath in. And out. Another breath in. And out. One last time. Deep breath in. And out.